Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. I want to show you how to do some great cards using scrap. We've been doing that every once in a while, and this is small scrap. These are 1 by 1 inch pieces of scrap. Designer series paper. We've used bigger ones, and these are the smaller ones. You seem to get a lot of those. I have been doing the gnomes, and this creates smaller, long pieces of scrap designer series paper. So I've cut them up, and I'll show you how to do this. What we're going to be using is I am using Snow Wonder stamp set. Well, the bundle too. I'm using the Snow Time dies. For ink, I am using Memento Black. For cardstock, I'm using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Pear Pizzazz. And then I've already cut the label out, but you need probably about a 4 by 2 inch piece of Pear Pizzazz. You can use any color, coordinating color of your designer series paper. I am using scrap from the Heartwarming Hugs designer series paper. You need I'm also using a piece of 4 by 4 cardstock, neutral cardstock. This is very vanilla. You can use any kind if you got some cardstock that you want to use. It doesn't have to be neutral, it just has to be cardstock. Then the designer series paper. Then what else I'm using? Of course, I'm using my glue dots. I am using stamping dimensionals that I had here. Oh well, they're here. I know they're here. I am also using this, the metallic mesh ribbon, which I just love. For Christmas cards, you just got to use it. It is just beautiful. Then I am also using, I've used my Stampin' Trimmer, and I am going to be using a piece of multi-purpose adhesive sheet. I am using, let's see, my stamp cut and emboss machine. So that's what it is. First of all, what you want to do is and you can use, this is a 4 by 4, this is a 5 by 4. So you can use a 4 1/4 by 5.5 if you want, and then just start in the corner and just put it and then just cut it later. What I want to do first off is, I don't have enough of these to do it in the same pattern. And since we have 2 patterns, so it's like we've got 4 patterns here. So I'm going to start out, and I am going to do 4 of these, and I'm going to alternate them, okay? Okay, and then I want to put 4 of these down. And again, I want to alternate them because I don't want the reds underneath the reds, okay? And you can do this any way you want. Just start doing it. That's all I can say. Just do it. And see the pattern you like. Come up with a good pattern that you like. And you could have done all 4 different ones on the top, and like I did to this one, I just moved them all over. And there we go. That's how I like it. So now I'm going to take them off. As long as you know how you like them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the piece of multi-purpose adhesive sheets. This is an old one that I had. I'm just going to place it right there, and I'm going to cut this just like this. Now I'm going to keep this. Actually, I'm going to keep this one in case I need to cut it so I don't, you can see some of this is stuck there. I didn't have a top on. Okay, now I'm just going to lay this back, and then again I am going to start in the corner, right in the corner, butt it up. And really, there is no wrong way to do this. If I was smart, I would have found my silicone sheet and done this on the silicone sheet. I am not smart. Well, I am, but I did this yesterday for my online class on Facebook. Every Sunday I have an online class on Facebook. And I forgot the silicone sheet, and I should have remembered it today. But I didn't. And you could do a 3x3. You can do a 4x4, 4x5, 3x4, whatever you want. I mean, and you don't have to use these as 1x's. If you want to do a 1.5 by 1.5, they should be square, but they don't have to be. I mean, they should be. It'd be hard to put in if you had 1x1s and 2x2s and stuff like that. So that's what I mean. They should all be the same size, or at least the same shape. Okay. Now here is, if you, you want to trim it up, I would just put this on, just so you don't get the glue all over the place. There. Okay? And then you're going to take your pear pizzazz. And I'm using the pear pizzazz because that is a coordinating color. And I'm just going to stick this right on here. And again, you can use any adhesive you like. As you know, glue dots are mine, glue of choice. Just going to glue that on. Then I am going to take, let's see, does this work? I'm going to take a piece of this ribbon, this mesh, metallic mesh. I thought when I got this, when I saw it in the catalog, in the August to December catalog, mini catalog, that it would be stiff and hard. It's not. It is just beautiful. I mean, really, if you haven't gotten this, this should be on your next order. I love it. And I hope your next order that you order from me, if you like my videos and my classes. I do have a class every Sunday at 3:30 Eastern Time on Facebook. We make 1-2 projects, probably 2 cards usually. Ah, there's mine. You can always order from me. The information is down below in the description of this video. So, or it's marytroutner.stampinup.net, and just click on the Shop Now button. And there we have it, a great card. Remember, follow me on YouTube if you don't already, and everything to make this card is listed below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.